Hello, we just got done watching the Netflix film Like Father from 2018. It is listed as a comedy, 1 hour and 43 minutes long, and it's TV mature audiences. It's after she is left at the altar, a workaholics advertising executive ends up on her Caribbean honeymoon cruise with her estranged father. It has Kristen Bell, Kelsey Grammer, and Seth Rogen in this movie. I know they listed it as a comedy, but I actually thought it was more of a soft drama than a comedy. I liked it. I thought it was done really well. I thought the acting was great. The casting was great. The storyline was great.
Yeah. Nothing to complain about,
It's a really nice movie that takes you on a adventure of family relationships, and the complexion of all of that kind of stuff.
Feel good movie.
Yeah, definitely. It winds up being, pretty good movie.
Yeah,
so I'd give it a 4 out of 5. So yeah. I just wouldn't consider it really a comedy per se.
No.
But
like feel good drama.
Yeah.
Kind of movie, but yeah, it was a darn good movie. Solid 4.
Yeah. If you've seen the movie Like Father, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, I'll put the trailer below. Let me know if you typically like movies about family relationships. Fathers and daughters and mothers and daughters and, just movies that just have a lot to do with the complexity of family relationships. Most of the time, I don't like those type of movies just because they're a little, I don't know, they make me sad. They give me little sad feelings. Just about my own personal crap. But, yeah, this was surprisingly enjoyable. Very much so. So I would recommend it. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.